Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drive motor in the Frigidaire dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, a side cutters, a 7/8-inch socket wrench, a pair of channellock pliers, a homemade hook, a plastic zip tie, and finally a wooden block. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drive motor. The drive motor turns the drive belt and rotates the drum. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it burns out or shorts out, or if it becomes noisy. Pull out the dryer from the wall far enough so you can reach behind, and using the Phillips screwdriver, take two screws that hold the top panel out. Slide back the top cover panel and remove it. Lift the dryer and place the wooden block under the front of it. Get down and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the two bottom screws. Remove the wooden block. Open the door. Take out two Phillips screws at the base of the opening and close the door. Take out the two Phillips screws at the top corners. Using the side cutters, cut the zip tie that secures the wire harness. Disconnect the 2-wire and the 8-wire plugs. Free the control panel from the frame and tilt it open. Press the locking tab and disconnect the plug with orange and brown wires. Remove the control panel assembly. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the white and the black wires from the light socket. Take out the two Phillips screws from the top of the front panel. Leave the panel and remove it. Unscrew two Phillips screws and leave the support bracket tabs out of the slots. Hook up the bracket to the side cabinet. Take out two Phillips screws at the lower portion of the bulkhead. Lift up the bulkhead assembly and remove it. Reach under the drum, push the idler pulley assembly to the left, and remove the drive belt of the pulley. Hold the drum by the drive belt and remove it from the cabinet. Remove the tension spring from the idler arm and pull the arm off. Squeeze the locking tabs and remove the motor plug. Remember, the motor is installed with the plug at approximately 1 o'clock. Hold the motor shaft with the channel lock pliers, and using the 7/8-inch socket wrench, unscrew the blower wheel by turning it clockwise. Remove the rear motor mounting clip by pushing it down. Using the flathead screwdriver, pry off and remove the motor retaining bracket. Now we can pull out the old motor. This is the old drive motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Install the new drive motor. Place the shaft into the opening and slide the end of the shaft into the blower wheel. Install the motor retaining bracket. Push it down to secure it. Install the rear motor retaining clip. Feed the tab on the side of the motor bracket through the slot in the retainer clip. Push the clip down and lock it over the tab. Start the blower wheel on the motor shaft, turning it counterclockwise manually. Then hold the motor shaft with the channel lock pliers and tighten it using the 7/8" socket wrench, turning it counterclockwise. Connect the motor plug. Install the idler arm and connect the idler arm spring. Install the drum. Make sure the drive belt is on the drum with the ribbed side down. Reach in with both hands. Push the idler pulley arm to the left and install the belt on the idler pulley. Install the belt on the motor pulley and slowly release the idler pulley arm. Turn the drum to make sure the belt and the drum are installed properly. Install the front bulkhead. Hook up the tabs and secure the bulkhead with the 2 Phillips screws at the bottom. Remove the hook. Insert the tabs into the slots and secure the support bracket to the front bulkhead with 2 Phillips screws. Install the front panel. Insert the 4 clips inside the 4 holes and push the panel in. Using the Phillips screwdriver, secure the front panel with 2 screws at the top. Connect the white and the black wires to the light socket terminals. You can't mix them up because the white terminal is smaller than the black one. Bring the control panel assembly and place it on the top of the front panel. Reconnect the orange and brown wire plug. Install the control panel by placing the bottom tabs into the holes and inserting the side tabs into the slots. Reconnect the 2-wire and the 8-wire plugs. Secure the harness with a zip tie. Cut the extra with the side cutters. Match the holes and secure the panel with the 2 Phillips screws. Lift the dryer and place the wooden block under again. Remove the wooden block. Install the top cover panel and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws from the back. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.